Howdy, culture vultures. Welcome to a Naya Novella Petit Pack 2022. Let's begin with my thoughts on the Z5 New Year's Eve drop of Turtle. Have you seen Don't Look Up? The Netflix end of days farce, which is actually anything but.
You know, I had a feeling.
Well, Turtle could be the Indian festival film equivalent. Starring Sanjay Mishra as Dada, the village elder, Turtle is a Rajasthani folktale of a people's thirst for water. It's set in a dry and unforgiving Rukka Sukka landscape with equally unforgiving inhabitants. Sanjay Mishra is the mukhya of the village, proud of his family's efforts through history to grow and sustain the villagers. With neighbouring Kanvali carving pesa from their well water at a time when Dada's village is in drought, he declares that he will dig a well and provide their water for free. Funding this venture are the gold bars buried deep in the Garka Pichvada many years ago. But just how deep? And where exactly? The title of Turtle is perhaps unclear. The only turtle mentioned is the one Dada's grandson Ashok throws into the neighbouring well. Despite Ashok's best intention to save the turtle and ensure further water, because turtles are believed to find water, Ashok's actions are deemed sabotage, for Ashok is the jinx, a cursed child whose birth caused the well to dry up. Perhaps if we think about the Kachva without water, turned upside down, helpless on his back, spinning directionless and unable to fix his predicament, we understand the reason for the title of Turtle. Turtle is introduced as a folktale and yet is based on a true story, but delivered in a story-like theatrical way. You can imagine a bunch of travelling entertainers taking this tale around the villages, educating people about Pani Ki Kimat. The film delivers a subtle anti-capitalist idea. Why should anyone be charging for something natural like pani? Also, the danger of debt and the absurdity of trusting financially in a baba, when better use of money is vital for actual survival. Turtle runs for just over an hour, and I recommend it as a fairly straightforward watch with some quirky additions, particularly the Greek chorus-esque musicians and the loudspeaker-wielding narrator. Director Dinesh S. Yadav succeeds in creating a play within a film, open-ended enough for those watching to imagine and discuss Aage kya hota hai. I can envisage teachers showing the film to a classroom of kids and then telling them, skip perform karo on this very subject for annual day. Turtle hit the film festival circuit in 2018 and won the Best Rajasthani Film at the 66th National Film Awards. It's now available on Z, and I give it 3.75 out of 5. Yes, that's right, 3.75 on the dot. We aren't the 19-20 types. For more Ekdam Kate ki ratings ke liye, subscribe to this channel and keep the comments coming.